Figaro.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there.
Peanuts.
Dump them in there.
Don't dump it.
Okay.
Don't dump it. It's fragile.
Oh, I see what it is. It is all of these sauces. I was going to try and get this for you for your birthday. We got gut grenade. This is, which one's this one's? Josh?
Are they actually
Josh,
good?
Yes, Josh's. I don't know.
I've never tried them.
Says gut grenade.
Riley, no.
Green serrano peppers and garlic honey. Mark 3 on the hot scale.
Oh, my guts will be on fire.
Next, I want to get the no-no sauce.
Yeah.
But that's like
And then they got another new flavor coming out. The butt bubbler. Noted only a 2 on the hot 2 out of 5. Fire roasted tomato. Yeah.
Is it?
In a secret location, I combined the finest tomatoes, rich garlic parmesan, the hottest and most fragrant spicy peppers, and other secret and epic ingredients to create the butt bubbler. If you consume this hot sauce when your butt will be bubbling, that's it. That's the story.
Oh my god.
2 out of 5. What is the other one? See that one again?
3.
Gut grenade is a 3.
What does the back say with Josh? In the depths of the jungle, I stumbled upon an ancient recipe etched into stone. It forewarned of a sauce so potent it would fuel rockets. I concocted gut grenade using this ancient formula, birthing a hot sauce of explosive flavor said to have secured victories in ancient culinary wars.
Oh, Taylor.
Ricky, what you doing, you old traders? Well, you were out there with me. My little shadow.
They got a new one too.
Taste bud trauma, a 5 out of 5 on the hot scale. Jalapenos, red habaneros, and garlic.
Oh, God.
This one is Juicy's. Although addictingly delicious, this particularly hot bottle of sauce is only made possible due to our most secret of ingredients. Tears of a grown man, all crying and tear gathered, is done at our state-of-the-art, fully humane, free-range crying farm.
Oh my gosh, how many are there?
There's 5. And then there's a 6th one coming out.
Yeah. There's the no-no sauce, and then they have
The Mexorcist. I like that little
that's the new one.
Really? A hot sauce?
Wait, show me now. I felt
To zoom in really close.
I did.
Did you do on 3?
Okay, now I'm going back out. Okay.
Tomatillos, chiles, and smoked paprika, noted as a 4 on the hot scale. From Eddie, this recipe is inspired by my mother. It honors my Mexican roots and, in a few words, bold, spicy, and savory. The Mexorcist is a blend of chile de árbol, cojillo peppers, and garlic. I recommend pouring it on your tacos, steaks, or chips. Disfruta, enjoy. And
Big sauce too.
is it? I think that's the last one, right?
Yeah, that one's
Riley, come here.
Perfect to dip on your bang bang chicken. And sweet sting. This one's narrators. A 1 out of 5, so very tame.
Okay.
Honey garlic, and crushed red peppers. From narrator. When I was a kid, my grandpa called me Honey Bunches because I was so sweet. The older I became, that's a little odd. Spice started to be a more prominent flavor in a lot of the food I liked. And this hot sauce is a combination of how sweet and spice, when melded together, can be the perfect flavor combination. Sweet Sting. That's the little... What's his dog's name? The pug. It's, Milky, yeah. Yeah. Can't wait to try all these. I don't know. We haven't done the Ranger rice, so we gotta cook something until I'm making bang bang chicken tomorrow because the planning day and everyone's gonna be there. So I'm making bang bang chicken.
next.
I want these. I want the poppers.
Okay. I just want to see what. Oh my! The eyes. Earlier, we were trying to work the printer, and she was on the sink the sink just.
I want you to try these.
All right, play with your poppers and your peanuts.
I don't care about the peanuts. That looks like a peanuts. looks like a peanut.
There they are. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. I hope I got that.
She jumped, boy.
I gotta check back and see if I got that. I just walk. I'm like Jason Voorhees. I just walk up and people get scared. I turn corners and there's like these.
Usually I'm the one that walks up and people can't hear me.
There's little short Mexican ladies. I walk over a corner and they just go back and tear it. Thank you.
Oh, girls.
All right. I'm gonna record this a little bit. We're going to try each of the boys' barbecues or hot sauces. 3, 5, and 4. So we're gonna go the sweetest first. We got Sweet Sting.
Oh, it's stop and go, dude. Stop and go. I'm scared.
Trying to pop this open, get the sniff test. It's like sweet teriyaki. Go ahead and dab on yours. Do sein dab. While watching the boys play Pick Apart.
How does this work?
It all just.
Alright, trying. Which one's the Sweet Sting?
Oh my god. Oh, okay. My turn, no one move.
Not bad.
You had one
Huh? Stir fry, yeah. It tastes a lot. Tastes more like teriyaki to me, though. But maybe it's the peppers. It's probably my favorite so far. I only tried one. We'll come back to it because I doubt we'll be using the other ones more. This one is the Butt Bubbler.
She's in there laughing at me. The butt bubbler. That's what our butts are going to be doing. They're going to be bubbling.
This smells like
What kind of ghost is this? What an asshole.
Smells very familiar.
It's like one of them like marshmallows you get.
It smells like one of those like marinara sauces. It kind of smells like sounds like marinara sauce, doesn't it?
Hit my head on my monitor already.
It smells good.
All right, time to try it.
That's a big fucking gap. It might be a movie platform. No, Josh can make this, or Molly, you can make this. Trust me. Oh my god,
Got a little more of a kick to it.
Oh wait.
Let's get that too. I don't forget to mash pot.
That's right. Juicy is now here to bridge the gap.
Almost got it.
Get the key. There's a thing we can push.
Oh, there we go.
We need 4 people. Just jump on the platform.
Time to try it. The butt.
Take a little globble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The butt bubbler.
That was either he grabbed the key or he fell on his head. I'm out. I can hear it. I'm out. Are you on the television, you reckon? Hit the button, maybe. Okay, I'm coming. This game mode's up.
Definitely, that's why it's tomatoes. So it's more like it's like a spicy marinara sauce.
Does it say what it would be good on? It would be good on pizza. Cheese.
Yeah,
Stuff like that.
pizza and cheese sticks. Yeah. It doesn't say what he'd try it on. This would be good for like cheese sticks. If you want like spicy cheese sticks. I do like that one. It's got a little bit of a heat to it. No, that straight up looks like what came out of me the other day. It does. It looks exactly same consistency and everything. Huh? Yeah. It's more liquidy though, so might have to get like a bowl or something. Gut grenade. I don't know. The butt bubbler and the sweet sting are kind of equal for me. One's more like teriyaki, one's more like spicy mozzarella or marinara. That straight looks like diarrhea. Oh, darn. Butt bubbler. Or Mmm.
Eddie, move. I'm looking. Yeah, you can. Okay. Someone has to be in control of turning around for a second, because he's the only one that can scroll the screen.
Very sweet. Garlic and honey.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
It smells good and tastes good.
I want to take a second bite. Probably it's so liquidy. All right, time to resume. Now we're on to the Mexorcist. This is Eddie's. Smells like salsa. Give it a whip.
I'm looking forward to this.
Who's your favorite member of the boys?
Okay. The one I've been watching
Dadgummit.
the one I've been watching longest would probably be Eddie.
These things are just falling apart.
He's also my comfort member. Like, I don't know. I guess that's the best way to put it. Hush.
Hang on, I'm doing this. Riley, hang on. We're gonna do this and we're gonna have to deal with Riley. Alright, we're on to the Mexorcist.
I don't know what I said, bro. Do you like playing Pico Park? This is the type of game that I like the little noises. That took us 35 minutes.
Not bad.
Oh, look at this! I got a little cross here.
I feel like I need a second bite. Hotter towards the back.
Wait, that was coming down? Oh, good catch.
I got this, boys.
Ooh, intensity rising.
Apples, boys. We're killing it right now.
Hang on, boys, before you shoot down. Wait until we're underneath you.
I'm the apple shooter. I'm not the catcher. Is that really? Okay, I'm a catcher now.
More apples I eat.
This is good with some ice cream.
Oh, I got one. You just get like a straight
Spicy ice cream. Still need to cool off a little bit. Mexorcist will catch up on you.
We need to get the one that's from the normal one.
Yeah, strawberry donut. Whew.
And final vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Taste bud trauma.
Yep, taste bud trauma.
The hottest one. Other than the no sauce. I want to get that one.
This smells like teriyaki, jalapeno, and it smells like teriyaki salsa.
Oh my god, dude, this is dramatic. Oh, great.
I got it good, but I want it too.
No. I'm trying to find a piece that'll hold it in. Oh, here we go. There we go.
Actually, Josh, why you shoot straight up, Josh? I don't know, dude. I don't believe in nothing no more. Had it, Eddie. This game's convinced me that every single dog goes to hell. Josh, please get off me.
Not bad.
Oh, yeah, we had it. What happened? I got another one. Five more. It's not
The
happening
name
now.
fits.
Ooh.
The name fits. It hits the taste buds immediately.
Yeah. Oh.
Josh has been quiet.
I know it's good though.
No, well, it's
They
not.
all got good flavors.
They're all good. They go on different stuff.
That was disrespectful.
Probably my least favorite flavor is this one, though.
I like them. I actually do have a favorite.
I'm gonna throw
And it's
up.
probably Josh's.
Gut grenade.
I think so. I'll have to try it again.
Yeah, gut grenade. I think my favorite is the butt bubbler. Yeah, I think butt bubbler is my favorite of the hot sauces. Mexorcist is good too, though, but I think taste bud trauma is my least favorite. Pretty much between the Mexorcist and the butt bubbler.
I'm gonna cook some stir fry and put this sweet honey with the
And sweet sting. Yeah, that tastes really good in stir fry. Yeah, mine too. Oh, that's us trying the hot sauces. The boys' hot sauces. But now we gotta do the no-no sauce. We gotta do all these again with the no-no sauce at the end. And at the very end, do the strawberry donut.
you got it backwards. Do the donut first.
We need strawberry donut to get down the spice. Is no-no sauce gonna make us cry, though?
Be careful.
Probably. Who's the reason it's called the no sauce?
Oh, you're right, or I can't pick you up. I thought you were Tiggy. I'm gonna finish the rest of my chicken. Peace. Got a lot. Now I fry up the last of the batter too. It's a little sloshy, but that'll just kind of gloss over some of this like little clumps here fried up. It'll spread out and break down once it's being stirred. So right now I'm gonna dump in a lot of mayo. This might take a little while. Oh, look out, dogs. You going again? Okay. Now we're gonna add a whole thing here of sweet Thai chili sauce. Pretty much any brand works. This is a much bigger batch, so I might have to add, just go ahead and add the 2. Take this. Let's go ahead and add the rest of it. It looks utterly disgusting. Mayo and the sweet chili sauce, but as everyone can attest, it will taste phenomenal when we're done. Probably take a break in a second, let me stir it for a little while. Patrick wasn't doing it, so I had to wash the hands and oh, that's good. Happy birthday to me. Is it in my beard?
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright. Here's Liz trying it. She's finally seen me cook it.
That's good. Wait. I got the batter part. That's good.
Oh, you got one of the batter balls? Yeah, the batter balls usually break apart as
It's good.
as it stirs.
Yeah.
Because the batter is mostly Old Bay seasoning, the garlic powder and everything. That's what it is. Flour is Old Bay, a lot of Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, and garlic salt. I can get a little fork out. Better to find the meat. Here's a good piece of meat. Okay. Doggone it, missed it. I lost it.
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Now I fried the last bit of the batter into little balls that break apart. One of my favorite dinners to cook. Oh yeah. Perfect. It always tastes best fresh. I think it goes good with coleslaw. Oh yeah. So her family's been asking me to. They've been wanting to try this for a while, right? Her brother loves it. So I'm gonna make some coleslaw, and everyone's gonna get to try it tomorrow. This is kind of my birthday dinner, and now I'm showing kind of how I cook it. Here's it. Here it is all done, and then there's my coleslaw. That's what I love to make with this, and it tastes really good. And that is how you make bang bang or sloppy chicken.